Hey there, a lot of us are now working from home. I developed an easy system to get on top of your tasks. This video is in conjunction with my bullet journal how-to video, also on my YouTube channel. I created a plain and floral version. The first sheet is a monthly overview. The second one is a habit tracker for the month. The third sheet is a weekly, hourly overview. And the fourth sheet is 2 of the weekly, hourly overviews. Plus, I made calendars that start on Monday or Sunday depending on your preferences. I start organizing with a monthly overview. I prefer starting on a Monday, and so I'll write April at the top for this month. And now it's time to fill in the days of the week. Typically, I don't really use the overview for anything other than recording when I'm going to be away. I like to have most of the details of my calendar within the hourly schedules, but I might start using this to record phone calls, friends that I want to catch up with, and anything else that seems to be big and important, even though I won't be traveling, obviously, for the next few days, weeks, hopefully not months. Next up is the habit tracker. I can tell that this one's going to be important as the days start to blend together. So I just start by writing April habit tracker at the top of my page, and then I have to decide what I want to track. Typically, I'll have more spending categories to record, as well as streams of income that I like to keep track of. However, in the next coming weeks, I do not see that I'll be needing these. I'm not leaving my house, so obviously I don't need to track how much I'm spending on Uber, and I'm not cooking nor teaching, so I do not need to record those streams of income coming in. So here, feel free to record whatever you want to record. Maybe you want to make sure you're drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Maybe you want to record if you're working out or reading a book, practicing a language. It's really up to you. For money out categories, I'm still going to be tracking if I have to spend more money on food, anything for my business, and if I buy something in the beauty/clothing category. I've condensed my streams of income into just money in, and I may make a note if I do end up making any digital sales. I do want to record working out, stretching, and language practice, and these categories will either get a numerical value or a check mark for me. The first 15 days are on the top row, and the next 15 to 16 days are on the bottom row. This is where the magic happens for me. It's the hourly overview. So I'm going to write on the column to the left times, and so these are going to be the hours of the day that I want to record. I'm starting with 7 a.m., which is kind of hopeful. I don't think I've woken up before 9 a.m. yet, but I'll write the hour on the line, so that way one box is from hour A to hour B. Normally, I'll pre-plan my schedule by putting in all of my weekly clients. However, now I have to sort of make my own schedule. This is an example of a schedule I might make for myself one day. I'm giving myself an hour for yoga, maybe a stretch and a workout in that time, then a break, shower, change, get ready for the day, eat something too. And then from 12 to 2, I'm going to schedule in a block of writing. When I work for longer periods of time, I like to use the Pomodoro technique, which means working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. I feel like this really helps me to do focused work, and then I'll take a break for lunch. I will try to take advantage of any remaining sunlight and get some filming done, and then I'll take a little break before dinner. After dinner, I'm scheduling in an hour of language learning, and then that's it. I will leave the rest of the time unstructured. I hope that you will find this system helpful for you. Just remember that during this time, no one is expecting you to create the next best-selling novel. Just rest, recover, and take the time you need for yourself. But if you would like a little help getting on top of your tasks at home, please click on the description box below for the link to my Etsy shop. Take care and be well.